I am currently on a mission of epic proportions. I have a craft room in my home, and I have decided that I'm going to recreate the man wall on an entire wall. If you know, you know. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back with an update on the man wall project. I went to Lowe's earlier, and they actually had, I'll put a picture in here, an entire cart that was full of damaged foam. And when I say damaged, I mean like slightly dented. Talked to the, I guess it was the manager of that department, and he said that he would give me everything on that cart for 90% off. So here is my proof. $33.56 was my total for 31 items. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So I had some that was, I think this is a 1/2 inch thickness. I had a couple that were 2 inch thickness, and then maybe 2 or 3 that were 3/4 inch. I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I spent $33 and I would have spent that on 2 of these anyway. So, and then we went to Walmart. We found a blue for the man wall, the 2 strips. Again, I'll put a picture here. But I thought it was all green, where it says 13th Street. It's not all green. The very center is like a turquoisey, so I got this color. And then the green, this is about as close as I could get. And then for the whole thing, because the whole thing isn't white, the whole thing is like a kind of a cream color. Found this on clearance at Walmart, and it's pretty close to the picture. It might be a smidgen darker, but we'll make it work. Other things, the tile I was looking for, Dollar Tree has like the sticky tile, the subway tile, but they didn't have what I needed, and they definitely didn't have enough, because I would need, for the length I'm doing, doing 2 of these, so I'm doing 8 by 8 on the wall. I would need 64 of those tiles, and they didn't have enough of any one thing, but also they didn't have the squares that I needed. I checked at Lowe's, they didn't have anything remotely close, and then I checked at Walmart, they didn't have anything either. So what I'm gonna do, husband to the rescue, what he's doing right now is he's marking every 3 inches. So what we're gonna end up doing is, instead of using an already made tile, is we're gonna create a tile look on the foam itself. We're gonna use a wood burning tool to just kind of etch the tile shape into the foam, see how that works, and then we'll paint it to look like a tile wall. A little more work, that's okay. I'm here for it. So we got all of our colors, and then just wanted to give an update. All right, so tried just a sample real quick on this board just to see what it looks like, how it's gonna work, how easy or hard it's gonna be. It looks really good. However, it's smoking a lot, so we're gonna go outside with it. So we'll do more time lapse out there. This is the first pass where it wasn't quite heated up all the way. This is the second pass where it was much more warm. And this is like the tile look that it's gonna give us. Okay, so the best part about this, having the foam board and doing this, is just proof of concept. Basically, we just wanted to see that this is gonna give us the look that we want. And now we have the board outside, and we will finish. We'll do that one. I'm gonna do 2 4x8 boards. The wall that I'm gonna be doing this on is actually 9 feet long, so we'll just leave 6 inches on either side. It'll be fine. Yeah, I'm really excited. Right. I do want to share real quick that the tool that we're using, the wood burning tool, is just a cheap one. I think it was $10 at Harbor Freight. Not expensive at all. So yeah, and this was, I'll check my receipt. I don't know. It wasn't very much. Well, she's got some character. Some parts are a little easier than others. Some parts are a little janky. That's okay. That looks good. It looks like subway tile, like the old school subway tile. I'm here for it. Well, hello. We've had quite the day. Huh? Huh? Look at them apples. And, you know, art and stuff. Okay, so we had a snafu and I cannot fix it. So just bear with me for a second. I can't get all the letters and everything lined back up, and just the only reason I'm even showing you with the letters on there is so that you can see what I'm talking about. So tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm not sure what day, I'm going to cut out the signs, the 13th Street station, the missing, if found, return, and then the no scooters. I'm gonna cut those out of foam, and then I'm gonna use my Silhouette to cut vinyl and do the signs that way, and then actually physically put the signs on top of the foam. That's how I'm gonna finish this off. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking pretty awesome. I do need to go through and do like all the make it dirty, make it gross. I need to go through and make it, because if you look at the actual picture, which I will put here, it's dirty. Like it looks like a subway station. So I'll go through and do that, and then I'll put the signs. I'm physically going to put the signs on top of the foam, because it needs to be a flat surface, because those signs are very flat. I don't want the texture of the tile to show through. Doesn't that look awesome? Look at them grout lines. If only, right? But yeah, I think it looks really, really cool. I think it looks pretty awesome. I did measure, if anybody decides to do this, like a crazy person like me, what I suggest that you do is don't just assume what size the tiles are. I scored these at 3" by 3" tiles. They are not. They don't quite equal. It doesn't quite fit. I had to kind of move it and maneuver it and make it fit. If you're gonna do this, just do better than me, okay? I also need to add 2 rows of green down to the bottom. That'll be at some point. I'll do that probably whenever I'm doing the making it dirty. I think it looks so good. I think it turned out so good. Like I love it. And this is just my craft room. Like it doesn't mean anything. It's nothing. It's just fun for me. I really like it. I'm just really excited. Once I get it finished, I'll post another update. But thanks for coming along today. It looks very good. It's still not dirty, but look at that. Pretty proud of that. So some of the stuff, just because I had to pull up different images to make this work, some of the stuff is a little squished in, so 1989 is a little too close, but it's fine. I'm just adding it to the missing thing. I'm so pumped about this. I'm debating if I'm going to put the glitter, the man right here. Not sure if I'm going to do that or not. Hi! Okay, so I added the missing sign, the poster for Mr. Americana. Oh, Atlanta. That is so freaking funny. The bottom portion, I was able to find a clear image of the bottom portion of the image. So in my software for the vinyl cutter, I was able to match the black that was in the background of the bottom half of that image and just added the writing on top, the Larry Wilson, directed by Larry Wilson. That's just on cardstock. That is on foam. That is on foam. And that is on foam. Because I had to pull up different images, I didn't get to do this all in one go. Kind of frustrating. This is a little too close. Like it needs to be a little further out, I think, but it is what it is. But it looks really, I think it looks really good overall. It's coming along. I still gotta make it disgusting. And I'm really debating, once the man leaves the subway area, there's like a glitter, the man left in that space, so I'm debating whether I want to do it or not. I found some good dirt colors. We'll see. I'm gonna make a spray. I think I'm gonna make a spray. I don't know. I'm only gonna make a spray out of one of these, but I don't know which one yet. But I'm also gonna make a 1-to-1 mix, maybe thin it out a little bit more, so I can start making smudges. These are the colors that I picked. Burnt Umber. This one says Raw Umber. It's a different brand. It looks pretty good. I really like the way that it turned out. I just have double-sided tape holding up the signs. I'm probably gonna have to replace that with something else. It looks awesome. I'm very excited about it. It's exactly what I wanted it to look like. I did decide to add the man. I just painted it, and then as the paint was still wet, I blew glitter onto it to make sure that it stayed glittery. Yeah. Love it.